Hi guys, and welcome on my today's video. Today I'm staying in a Brich Patio apartments, so I want to show you how they looks like. So we can start from the pool. Quite nice here. Everything is very old, but it's clean, it's good enough. My apartment is quite big and it's only me. One person. I've got two beds. Nice green palm trees, even small waterfall, pool for kids. Oh, it's quite deep. It's quite deep over there. So yeah, it's 2 floors over here. So that's the one part, and there is another part right here where my apartment is. And again, nice palm trees, waterfalls. Okay, I think that's the pool from the other apartments next door, or motel. So this is not here. You know, the entrances are here, doors. Yeah, you can see it outside. This is how it looks like, 2 floors. Nothing special, but it's clean and good enough if you have no other space to stay. The only bad thing is the tiny parking spots. If you've got a big car, so you have to park close to another car. It's very tiny. "204 is my room. Should be open." Wow, regular key. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Look at this, it's huge. So what do we got here? Closet with, what is that? Fan or something? Heater maybe. Okay, wow, towels, that's cool. Small TV. Key to the room, can you see? That's my key. I was using cards always. Alright, 2 big beds. I need just one. Okay, this is something like the next. This is like apartment. This is really like apartment. So yeah, what do we got? Microwave, standard. Oh, utensils. What's that? Matches. Ooh, I can smoke a cigar. AC, fridge, freezer. Yeah, ice. There's even ice. Ooh, cups. Okay. Okay, bathroom. It's okay. Standard is good. We will see if there is a hot water later. Everything is old. Look at this, but I do not expect much from this kind of. This is motel even. This is not a hotel. It's a motel. So. Yeah. Should be fine. Look at this. So, do they have any? Oh my gosh, I've got nothing for the hair. No shampoo? Oh my gosh. Maybe there is somewhere. Alright, so that's my room for tonight. I'm gonna show you tomorrow outside because it's dark today. Or I can open this door. There is another door. Oh, it's closed. Like, okay, let's leave it locked. I don't wanna even open. Please bolt door. Yeah, I'm not gonna even open it. Okay. So tomorrow I'm going to Bahamas and I'm gonna leave this room empty. I'm gonna come back late at night. And there is a closet which I didn't show you with hair dryer. Oh, there was paper, toilet paper before cleaning. Yeah, and here. Oh, it's here actually, and more towels. Look at this, what's in my room. Hey, where are you going?